Hey Shawnte, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you so very much for your recent online interest through the USA Auto Buying Service. We are a certified dealer for them, and we're the premier dealer in the state of Alabama. Leading volume dealer the last 18 years, Shawnte. That means we're going to have the best inventory for you to choose from. Saw where you're looking for information on the Honda Accord Sports. I'm not sure the exact color you're after, but this is one of my crystal black pearl. I've got every color under the rainbow that's offered in that Accord Sport in stock right now. I've got them from the whites, the blacks, the silvers, the blues, the reds. I'm going to have that available. And in the sport package in particular for this lineup, you're getting those nice chrome alloy wheels. Those are 19s. Got some nice all-weather tires on it. It's going to give you a touchscreen interface, which is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Syncs up all of your smart devices seamlessly. You can even stream your navigation or all your music streaming services right there to your display on your touchscreen. It's a great car. One of the best rated midsize sedans in America right now currently. And here at Tameron, we have a big end of the month closeout going on. Sale starts today. It's going to run all the way through the end of the month. So I've got a lot of tools at my disposal to get you a phenomenal deal, Shawnte. Reach out to me direct by phone or text 205-504-2358. And I'll make you this promise: when you're dealing with Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.